out of the following, the only scalar quantity is. Look at the first three options: velocity, force, and momentum. They are vector physical quantities as they have both magnitude and direction, as well as they obey vector law of addition. But electric current is having magnitude. We say 2 ampere of current, 2 microampere of current, 10 microampere of current, like this. Hence it has magnitude. It has got direction because we say it moves from A to B, C to D, or it is moving from positive terminal to negative terminal, like that. But it does not obey vector law of addition. Hence it is a scalar physical quantity. So out of given options, electric current is scalar physical quantity. Hence the right choice is option D, electric current. 1 poise is equal to, if you look at the option, you will come to know that it is given in SI system of units. 1 poise is a CGS unit of viscosity, where 1 poise is equal to 1 gram per centimeter per second. We all know that 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kg and 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. Using this, converting the CGS system of units into SI system, we will get that 1 poise is equal to 0.1 Newton second per meter squared. Hence, the option B is the right choice. The radius of an atom is approximately equal to. If you look at the options, the unit used is centimeter. Here we all know that the range of atomic radius is about few angstroms, and 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. But we can write that as 10 power minus 8 into 10 power minus 2 meters, and 10 power minus 2 meter is 1 centimeter. So the answer is 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Option D is the right choice. The surface tension of a liquid is 70 dyne per centimeter. It may be expressed in MKS system as. We all know that dyne is a CGS unit of force and it is equal to 10 power minus 5 Newton in SI system or in MKS system, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meters. Using this data, substituting and further simplifying, will get that answer is equal to 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. Option A is the right choice. Stephen's constant has the unit. From Stephen's law, we have E is equal to sigma T power 4, or else it can also be written as sigma equals E divided by T power 4, where sigma is Stephen's constant, E is energy radiated from a black body per unit area per unit time, and capital T stands for absolute temperature of the given black body. Now, according to the definition, we have the unit of E as joule per meter squared per second, or else it can also be written as watt per meter squared. Hence, the unit of sigma becomes watt per meter squared per Kelvin to the power 4. Hence, option C is the right choice. The dimensions of couple is. Couple is a special case of torque in which two equivalent opposite forces will be acting on a body at two different lines of action. The definition of couple says it is product of either of the forces and the perpendicular distance between them. According to this, the formula becomes force into distance. Now, the unit of couple in terms of basic units is kg meter square per second square. Hence, the dimensions of couple becomes mass to the power 1, length to the power 2 and time to the power minus 2. Option A is the right choice. The dimensions of electrical conductivity are, first of all, we need to have some formula for electrical conductivity. Let us use sigma equals n E square tau divided by m, where n is the number density which is having unit per meter cube. E is the electric charge which is having unit coulomb or ampere second. Tau is relaxation time which is having unit second. M is the mass of the electron having unit kg. Using this and simplifying, we'll get the unit of electrical conductivity in terms of basic physical quantity as per kg per meter cube second to the power 3 ampere to the power 2. Therefore, dimensions of electrical conductivity are given by m power minus 1, L power minus 3, T power 3, A power 2. Option A is the right choice. The dimensions of Boltzmann constant are. By the definition, Boltzmann constant is given by Kb is equal to R divided by Na, where R is universal gas constant having the value 8.31 and unit joule per mole per Kelvin, and Na is Avogadro's number having the value 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 and having the unit per mole. Now, we have the unit for Boltzmann constant as joule per Kelvin, or in terms of basic physical quantity, it is kg meter squared per second squared per Kelvin. Therefore, the dimensions of Boltzmann constant are m power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2 and theta to the power minus 1. Option A is the right choice. Out of the following, the only pair that does not have identical dimensions is, let us go for the first pair. Angular momentum is generally defined as mass into velocity into position vector. Hence, its unit becomes kg meter squared per second. Planck's constant using Einstein's photoelectric effect concept, we can write as energy of the photon divided by frequency of the photon. Simplifying, its unit becomes kg meter squared per second. Hence, this pair is having same dimensions. Now, let us go to the second pair. Here, moment of inertia for a point object is generally given by mass into radius squared. Hence, its units becomes kg meter squared. But the torque is defined as force into position vector. Hence, its units becomes kg meter squared per second squared. They don't have same dimensions. Let us also look at option C and option D just for understanding. Here, work is defined as force into displacement. Hence, its unit becomes kg meter squared per second squared. And torque is defined as force into displacement. Hence, its units are also kg meter squared per second squared. They have same dimensions. Let us look at the final pair, that is impulse and momentum. Impulse is defined as force into time. Hence, its unit becomes kg meter squared per second, and momentum is defined as mass into velocity. Hence, its unit becomes kg meter per second. They also have same dimensions. Only pair which is not having the same dimensions is option B, moment of inertia and moment of force. Option B is the right choice. The radius of a circle is 2.12 meter. Its area according to idea of significant figure is. We all know that the area of a circle is given by A is equal to pi r squared. Substituting, we have 3.142 into 2.12 squared is equal to 14.121408 in terms of magnitude. Now, according to this concept of significant figure, we have pi equals 3.142 so on, and it is having infinite significant figures since it is a constant. The radius value is given as 2.12 meter. It is having 3 significant figures. According to the rule of significant figures for product, the answer should have 3 significant figures. We should round the answer to 3 digits only. Hence, the answer is 14.1. Option D is the right choice.